everyone, it's Twyla. Today I got my VineOh box. What is VineOh, you ask? Well, that's a good question. So here's the answer. It is a quarterly subscription with wine and a lifestyle box. So it's very, very cool. And it is $59.99 a month. And what I like about this box, this is a gift from my husband. So we pay for this. They didn't send this to me. They have no idea who I am. What I like about it is that you can choose reds, whites, red and white, or sweet wines. And if you decide you don't want your box this quarter, you can ask them to ship it to somebody else and they can have that gift instead of you if you want to ship it to a friend or a mom or just somebody that needs some self-pampering that loves wine. So that's really great. And that's what I love about this box. Another thing that I like about this box is that you can order a one-off box. So you could just go in and say, hey, I like this quarter's box. I want to order that. I want to send it to myself or I want to send it to a friend. I believe it might be $10 more if you order a one-off box. I'll link it down below but I think it's $69.99 if you just want to send a box to somebody, just a one-off. Okay, let's get into what was in the boxes. So I get the one red, one white. And this one is a Nightvine 2017 California Merlot. And this one is a New Crush California Rosé. And I gotta say, I like the New Crush blends. So that's the wine. And here is the VineOh box. Now, this box is very lightweight this quarter. Okay. So here is everything in this box. Here's the little cards. Also, another thing I really like about this box is that they have cards for everything. So they have cards telling you about your wine selections for the month. They have a card with everything that is in your box for the month and what the total value is. And then they have a card for every single item in your box, telling you a little bit about it, where it's from, if they have a coupon code, which some of them have coupon codes down here. So if they do, I'll link those down below as well. All right, let's get in with the box. The wines were $21 to $26 a piece. I will put those there for you to see how much they were. This is the first thing that I pulled up, and it says On Cloud Wine. It says, now your bottles won't leak if you lay them on their side. From CAPABUNGA in Windsor, California. No need to rearrange your fridge door to fit your wine bottle. So this has the little lip on the inside, and I guess you just push this down over the top of your wine bottle and it won't leak if you lay it on its side. Well, we'll try that out. The next thing in here is Hammond's Sweet and Cheesy Popcorn. So it looks like it's cheese and caramel corn. That's what it looks like to me. 5 ounces. This is also $5. The card says preservative free and kosher. Rich caramel with salty, savory, cheesy. It's the perfect snack. Hammond's Candy Factory is in Denver, Colorado, and it's been nearly 100 years ago. So this is got a coupon code of VineOh20. You get 20% off your order. Good snack. The next thing in here is Hydrating Lip Gloss Duo, the Mauves from Julep. And it has the colors Muse and Flirt. And it says this is a $38 value. Creamy gloss, color the lips in one swipe. You know, I don't think I'm going to swatch these because I think I'm going to put them in a giveaway. I don't know. This is a color. I would like this one. I don't know about this one, so I don't want to open them up and swatch them if I'm not going to keep them. So I will put these in a giveaway. Something just fell outside. It's getting windy. The next thing in here is, looks like a makeup bag. $38 for those 2 lip glosses. This is a Tickled Pink Cosmetic bag, says. because it's fully lined. Your cutest best friend. Okay, so let's pull it out and see how it stacks up. Okay. So there's the thickness of it. It's red on the inside, white with black polka dots, and it's about that thick. So it's a nice size. It's a nice size little cosmetics bag. I have a ton of them. And when I get them like this, I save them. I usually don't give these in a giveaway, and here's why. A couple times a year, I donate a lot of my deluxe travel sizes and makeup that I got that I don't use out of boxes like this, hair products and things to the women's shelter. And I donate all of these bags that I have gotten in these boxes that I just don't need. For those that I don't use, that are brand new, I give, because they're going to have choices from all of this makeup and skincare and hair care, and they don't have anything to put it in. So I will keep this, but I will donate it. And then the last thing in here is from Jules Smith, designed with love in Venice, California. This is a necklace. It says it's a Pavé ball. So it comes in this little, oh, it's all tangled up. So it says Jules Smith Pavé ball necklace. There it is. It is in this, it is gold and has the little cubic zirconias little in there. Don't know how many inches it is long. Let's see what it says. So the card says, it is a 16-inch chain with a 3-inch extender. Wear on its own or layer up with other necklaces. Jules Smith says this forged a dynamic brand with a uniquely inspired identity. A former ballet dancer and fashion editor, I'm going to butcher the name, Negrella Smith studied at NYU in the heart of Greenwich Village with New York as her backdrop. She crafted a style of her own. It's bold, indie, and most importantly, authentic to her gypsy soul. There is no coupon code for this. And I will just put it on here real quick. At least it came in a nice little bag instead of just in this. I always question the value when they come in just this little plastic bag. So there we go. Oh, my hair's already caught in it. That is a nice little necklace. I really like that. Actually, I'm going to tighten it up a little. There we go. Yeah, I really, really like that. That's a really nice little necklace. Oh, I'm wearing silver earrings, so it doesn't match, but that is pretty. I like that. I like that. Okay, so $55 for the necklace, $15, $38, $5 and $5, and then $21 to $26 for the wine. So, you know, I love this necklace, but it's not my favorite box. No reason, just not my favorite box. I think the only reason probably is because of these two things. Although I will get good use because I will either give away or donate, and I will donate this. So someone's going to get some really nice things. But that's it for the box. If you have any questions, please put them down below and let me know what's going on with you guys. What is today? I think I actually got this a couple of days ago. I didn't get it today. I got it a couple of days ago. Maybe got it Friday. Today's Wednesday. So I've had it for a while sitting here, and I am surprised that I haven't bumped into the wine already because it's just been a stressful time. So I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone is getting along. Let me know down below in the comment sections what you're doing. I still work. I work from home normally, so this didn't impact me in that fashion. I'm still working. I still I'm working from home. I just normally travel a lot, and so right now I'm not traveling. But I'm still working a full-time job, so praise the Lord for that. Thank you very much. Okay, everyone, so do take care and be well, and focus on the good and the happy in your life. Come back and see me again. Mwah. Bye. Ooh, let's crack open this bottle of wine. Rosé, meet Twilight.